Alright, so we have two things lined up. We actually have the body tub for this project sitting over here to the right, and then to the left here is the frame. And all the motor mounts and everything have been welded in. As you can see here, everything's been nicely done and situated on the front for the actual engine mount on the front. We have the insulators also bolted in there. And if we pan back here, that would be the original, say, mount for the rear trainee, or what's basically known as the bell housing mount. But back here we have the actual mount that goes across here with the, what we call maybe the rear truss or bracket support on the back, and that sits in there. And we've just left that the zinc plated color. We're not painting that per se. We also just took the liberty of just doing some real quick paint on the frame, and because it tends to be a budget type project, we're just leaving this unsandblasted. The frame is in really great shape for the most part. You can see that it's an older style frame with a cross member with the lights, but we cleaned it up as best we could and then did some frame paint on it in a dull color, so that looks sharp. And also we have our radiator shroud in here, mainly for spacing when we did the original placement of the engine, so that looks good. The body sits over here. We'll go down onto the frame and we'll put the engine back in it here at some point. And then we're going to be having other parts that are already painted and start to build that all around it. So we're in good shape here, and it's going along smoothly. Again, that V8 went in quite nice, and we're looking forward to moving on to the next phase of this.